Good morning club members, how you all doing? Welcome to another video. Today's video is a bit sensitive guys. Why sensitive? Because the topic is sensitive and that is secularism. Why secularism is the topic of today's video? That is because if you have seen the tweets from Sonu Nigam today morning, he tweeted some, wow, what do I say guys? I don't know what to say. So I would like to read that out. So he tweeted, God bless everyone. I am not a Muslim and I have to be woken up by the azan in the morning. When will this forced religiousness end in India? And he further went on to say that Gundagardi hai bas. So it made me think that is really India a secular country? If it is a secular country, then why are we still hearing these kind of statements, and why are people still facing religious problems? So the first question which came up to my mind was, is India a secular country? So this is the topic of today's video guys. So let's go out and ask people some questions. So we have only 4 questions guys, so let's ask them and see what are their reactions are. Here we have some secular Indians, so let's ask them a few questions guys. So the first question is, do you think that India is a secular country?
Yes, it's secular country.
Yeah, in my view also it is secular country because many of the religions are living in our country from long time. But in other countries where we say, in other countries there were very protests against those religions, other religions.
So in India it is free, right?
It's a responsibility to give respect to all religions.
तो क्या आप इंडिया को एक सेक्युलर कंट्री मानते हैं?
हाँ मानता हूँ इसलिए।
ओके, सो कैसे
मानते हैं? एक बात बोलना बोले तो सेक्युलर का मतलब ये है सब जने एक है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, या हिंदू या मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, सिंह, पटेला, सब एक रहते। इसको तो इंडिया सेक्युलर बोलते ना।
Do you think that India is a secular country?
Yeah, of course, secular.
So what makes you think that way?
My friends are in all my religion.
Okay, so all religions are
All
treated
religion,
equally
yeah.
in India, right? So you are basically Hindu.
Hindu.
Do you think that India is a secular country?
Yes, of course. India is a secularism,
Okay.
and all religions are being in India.
Okay, they are treated equally.
Yes,
Right?
we are respecting
Okay.
all religions.
Yeah. What do you think?
As we studied from childhood, all are equal before the eyes of God are equal. I think so. It's
Okay, so India is a
also
secular
secular,
country,
yeah.
right? Do you think that India is a secular country?
Yeah, India is a secular country. The government policies and all these things are, I think every Indian, every Hindu, Muslim, and every Christian are giving equal importance in India. So I think India is a secular country.
Do you also love other religions? It's okay that India is a secular country. What about you guys? So do you love other religions, or are you Hindu, right? You both are Hindus. So you guys love other religions also?
yes. I love all the religions.
Okay, do you
Because-
have other religious friends?
Because respect every tradition, every religion,
Okay.
everything.
Do you also love other religions?
Yes, I love other religions because I have other religions friends also. Hindu,
Okay.
मुस्लिम, सिंह,
Sikh,
सिख
Isai,
सब ऐसे हैं मेरे दोस्त हैं। उसको लव करते हैं और उसको रिलीजन को भी हम लोग इज्जत ऐसी देते। क्यों बोले तो उन लोग भी हमारी रिलीजन को इतना इज्जत देते ना।
Yeah. Okay. So do you also love other religions?
Yeah, we love other religions.
Yeah,
We
you
have
are
so many
Hindu?
friends. Yeah, I am Hindu.
Okay.
We have so many friends. I have a friend like Nawaz. He's my best friend.
Okay.
And I have Kranti. He's he's Christian.
Christian.
Okay, we all love other religions. So
Okay. Do you also love other religions?
Of course.
Why?
Why? India is a democracy country. All religions are there.
Yeah. And-
From my childhood, I've grown up with all religions are there in my friends circle.
Okay. Do you love other religions
Yeah,
as well?
of course. I have more friends from other religions also. So I love
Okay.
both. All
The other
cultures.
religions
Yeah.
as well. Okay. Can you?
అంతే మాకు కూడా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు ఉంటారు, ముస్లిమ్స్, హిందూస్, క్రిస్టియన్స్.
Yeah.
ఇక మేము కూడా అందరినీ ఈక్వల్గా చూస్తాం.
Okay. So you respect all the other religions,
Yes, I
right?
respect.
Do you think the prayer calls or azan is a noise pollution?
No, it's impossible. There's no
Really,
way.
it's not a noise pollution. It's just a prayer to God. In every religion there are the prayers.
But
Not
there
in the
are
Azan is a noise pollution like that. It is very bad.
but there are some people who think that prayer calls or azans are like a form of noise pollution. What do you think and what do you have to say to those people?
Close the doors and sit simply in the room.
तो आज क्या आपने सोनू निगम के ट्वीट्स देखे आज?
हाँ देखा था ट्विटर
तो कैसा लगा आपको? उसने अजान के बारे में बहुत ही लाइक वो एक नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन है, ऐसा इरिटेटिंग है, ऐसा बोल के उसने एक ट्वीट किया था और उसको बोला था कि गुंडागर्दी है बोला था उसने।
गुंडागर्दी है बोला था।
हाँ
अब एक बात बोलना बोले तो अज़ान की ये है, जब हमारे नबी पैदा हुए थे जब से चल रहा है अज़ान का। सिर्फ सुबह में नहीं चलता है, 5 दिन चलता है दिन में। ऐसा दिन में कितने बार हुएगा, चाहे डाल लो। इतवार के दिन क्रिश्चियन चर्च के रहता, हम लोग थोड़ी बोलते हैं, नहीं बोलते। हिंदू से रहता, ईदा आते, उन लोगों के ईदा में हम लोग भी मनाते, खुशी करते, दिवाली करते, क्रैकर चलाते। इतना से उड़ा था, किसके नींदा नहीं खराब थे, क्या इसको नॉइस पोल्यूशन बोल रहे हैं?
तो
नॉइस पोल्यूशन दिख रहा।
हाँ तो प्रेयर कॉल एक नॉइस पोल्यूशन हो ही नहीं सकता,
नहीं
क्योंकि
हो
वो
सकता।
प्रेयर कॉल है जिसको हम
ये
लोग
बात
मुस्लिम्स
जो भी
बोलते हैं,
बोल सकते
अजान बोलते हैं हम लोग
इसको बात बोला से उन्हें इंसान नहीं होता।
Do you think the prayer calls or azan is a form of noise pollution?
No. I think he's having some personal issues with and he's having some personal problems.
So you are talking about Sonu Nigam, right?
Yeah, Sonu Nigam. He's having some personal problem that is not directly. He's directly tweeting that India is not a secular country. It is not that
He
kind of.
tweeted against the azan. He did not say that India is a secular country or non-secular.
Okay.
He tweeted against the azan and he said that it is a forceful religiousness.
No, every religion is having their way of communicating the prayers to God. Likewise, Hindus are having Suprabhat and Christians are having lighting the candles in every day, going to church.
Right.
Like that, Muslims are also having Azan.
Azan.
Yeah. Now we also promote Sikhism and Buddhism.
Right.
We are having Buddhism, so every religion will support every religion. It is not
They have
like
their
we are
own
not
way
against.
of preaching, right? Today morning, Sonu Nigam tweeted something about azan and he called it as a forced religiousness, and he also said that it is a form of gundagardi, which means villainism. Okay, so he said azan or prayer calls, this is forced religiousness and gundagardi. So what do you have to say about that?
అది తప్పు. అతను అలా చేసి ఉండకూడదు. అతను హిందూ అయి ఉండి అలా చేయటం చాలా తప్పు అనుకుంటాను.
And what do you think?
I think he may not be believing God, but he have no right to say that words.
Yeah. If Sonu Nigam is watching this video, what would you tell him?
Just say sorry to other religions. Respect.
Okay.
Respect
And,
the other
any
religion.
other suggestions to him?
Just respect the other religion.
Yeah, okay. So, you obviously do not support Sonu Nigam's tweets.
Yeah, we do not support him.
Okay, so if he is watching now,
Okay.
Sonu Nigam, so what do you have to, what will you tell him?
We'll tell him you cannot directly comment on what against particular religion because we have so many lakhs of Muslims living in India.
Right.
We support every Azan or we support every Suprabhat or we support every Christian's call.
तो आप सोनू निगम के ट्वीट्स को सपोर्ट करते हो? बिल्कुल भी नहीं ना, उधर बोल दो. सोनू निगम,
सोनू निगम डाउन.
do you support Sonu Nigam's tweets or are you against him?
Against.
And you?
Against. I don't support those those words because in India is a secular country. If somebody saying like that is not at all acceptable.
Yeah, right. So do you have anything to say to Sonu Nigam if he is watching?
Sonu Nigam, hold your tongue. Like that.
Shut the fuck up.
So guys, as you just saw in the video, nobody supported Sonu Nigam's statement. And why would they, guys? That was secular people's secular reaction. Being a secular man and a follower of Muhammad, peace be upon him, I had to do this video, guys. thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just share this video, spread the love around, and spread what is secularism, guys. Let's support every religion. Let us respect every religion, guys. Thank you so much guys again for watching this video. Let's stay strong, let's stay united, and let's make India great again. Thank you guys. I love you all. Goodbye.